OpenAI Value Sharing Model for Scientific and Drug Discoveries. Introduction. The integration of artificial intelligence AI into drug discovery and scientific research has gained substantial momentum in recent years, with OpenAI emerging as a key player in this transformative landscape. The organization's strategic partnerships and investments in biotech companies are reshaping how new medicines are developed, aiming to enhance efficiency and reduce the costs associated with drug development. This report outlines the significant developments in AI-driven drug discovery, highlighting notable partnerships, funding rounds, and technological advancements. Recent developments in AI-driven drug discovery. 1. Chai Discovery, a new era in antibody design. In December 2025, Chai Discovery, an AI-focused biotech company backed by OpenAI, raised $130 million in a Series B funding round, achieving a valuation of $1.3 billion. This significant capital will allow Chai to further develop its AI platform for de novo antibody design, creating entirely new molecules rather than modifying existing ones. The company's innovative approach aims to predict how proteins in small molecules interact, thereby streamlining the drug development process and increasing the success rate of drug candidates before they enter costly preclinical trials. Chai's platform, which has already demonstrated enhanced success rates in antibody discovery compared to traditional methods, is poised to revolutionize the drug R&D landscape. The funding was led by prominent investors including General Catalyst and Oak HC/FT, and highlights the growing belief in AI's potential to condense timelines and costs associated with drug research and development. 2. Strategic collaborations, Sanofi, Formation Bio, and OpenAI. In May 2024, a groundbreaking collaboration was announced between Sanofi, Formation Bio, and OpenAI aimed at accelerating drug discovery through AI. This partnership is set to leverage proprietary data from Sanofi to enhance AI model training, while Formation Bio will contribute its engineering expertise to deploy these AI technologies effectively throughout the drug development lifecycle. Sanofi's CEO Paul Hudson emphasized the importance of this collaboration in shaping the future of drug development. By combining their strengths, the partners hope to identify promising drug candidates more efficiently and optimize clinical trials, ultimately bringing life-saving treatments to market faster. This initiative represents a shift toward a pharmaceutical industry that is increasingly reliant on AI to expedite drug discovery processes. 3. Microsoft's role in advancing drug discovery. Microsoft is also playing a crucial role in the evolution of drug discovery through its cloud computing and AI capabilities. The Azure platform has facilitated numerous collaborations with major pharmaceutical companies including Novartis and Novo Nordisk to analyze vast datasets and derive insights that drive drug development. Microsoft's advancements in quantum computing and projects like Project Science Engine aim to accelerate research and development processes across various science-driven industries. The company's commitment to integrating AI with high-performance computing is expected to yield significant breakthroughs in drug discovery, enabling researchers to analyze large volumes of data more efficiently and inform better decision-making. 4. Competitive landscape and AI drug discovery. The competitive landscape for AI and drug discovery is rapidly evolving. Companies like DeepMind, Recursion, and Exscientia are making significant strides in the field, demonstrating that integrated model and lab systems can successfully drive candidates into preclinical and early clinical testing. As the AI race accelerates, the potential financial impact is substantial, with estimates suggesting that AI could contribute $60 to $110 billion annually in the pharmaceutical and medtech sectors. Chai Discovery's unique approach emphasizes molecular design, while Sanofi and Formation Bio focus on refining existing data to enhance AI models. Microsoft, on the other hand, positions itself as a facilitator of broader AI applications across the pharmaceutical industry, leveraging its cloud infrastructure and quantum computing capabilities. Timeline of significant events. December 2025, Chai Discovery raises $130 million in Series B funding, achieving a $1.3 billion valuation. May 2024, Sanofi partners with Formation Bio and OpenAI to leverage AI for drug discovery. July 2023, Microsoft outlines its initiatives in drug discovery, highlighting collaborations and technology advancements. Conclusion: the integration of AI into drug discovery is set to reshape the pharmaceutical landscape, with OpenAI leading the charge through strategic partnerships and innovative technologies. The collaborations with Chai Discovery, Sanofi, and Formation Bio, alongside Microsoft's advancements in cloud computing and quantum technology, illustrate a collective commitment to leveraging AI for more efficient and cost-effective drug development. As these developments unfold, the potential impact on the pharmaceutical industry could lead to substantial efficiencies and breakthroughs in bringing new treatments to patients. The confluence of AI and drug discovery not only promises to enhance the speed and accuracy of drug development, but also signifies a transformative shift in how the industry approaches scientific research and innovation. The future of drug discovery lies in harnessing the power of AI, and organizations like OpenAI are at the forefront of this revolution, paving the way for a new era of medical advancements. The content presents several counterintuitive insights regarding the integration of AI in drug discovery and scientific research, particularly focusing on OpenAI's value-sharing model and its partnerships with various biotech firms and pharmaceutical companies. Here are the key points of counterintuitive information identified within the content. 1. Increased investment in AI despite high risks. While the pharmaceutical industry has historically been cautious about adopting new technologies due to the high costs and risks associated with drug development, the rapid influx of investment into AI-driven biotech firms like Chai Discovery suggests a significant shift in risk tolerance. Investors are placing substantial bets on the potential of AI to transform drug discovery, indicating a belief that the reward can outweigh traditional concerns about investment risks in a historically conservative industry. 2. AI's role in reducing costs versus historical inefficiencies. The narrative suggests that AI can drastically reduce the time and cost involved in drug development. However, the long-standing inefficiencies in drug discovery, where the average cost of bringing a new drug to market exceeds $2.6 billion and the success rate from first-in-human trials to approval is around 10%, raises questions about whether AI can indeed deliver on these promises. The optimism surrounding AI's efficiency contrasts sharply with historical data showing that technological advancements in the past have not always translated into expected cost reductions. 3. A collaboration versus competition. OpenAI's collaborations with multiple partners, including Sanofi and Formation Bio, highlight a trend where companies that might typically be competitors are now collaborating to leverage shared data and AI technologies. This is somewhat counterintuitive in an industry known for proprietary data and competitive secrecy, revealing a growing recognition that shared resources can lead to more significant advancements than isolated efforts. For AI models versus traditional methods, Chai Discovery's focus on de novo antibody design through AI models represents a shift from traditional drug design methods, which often involve tweaking existing molecules. The counterintuitive element here is the suggestion that new untested AI models might outperform established methodologies that have been validated over decades. This raises questions about the reliability and readiness of AI models in real-world applications, challenging the notion that longer-standing techniques are necessarily superior. 5. The role of data and AI in drug development. The collaboration between Sanofi, Formation Bio, and OpenAI emphasizes the importance of proprietary data in training AI models. This highlights a counterintuitive challenge. While AI promises enhanced drug discovery capabilities, its effectiveness is highly dependent on the quality and quantity of data available. Thus, companies may need to rethink their data sharing strategies, which traditionally have been guarded due to competitive concerns, suggesting that collaboration might be more beneficial than hoarding data. 6. Cloud computing as a game changer. Microsoft's emphasis on cloud computing as a transformative force in drug discovery is somewhat counterintuitive, given that cloud solutions have been available for years. The current wave of enthusiasm for cloud technologies in drug development suggests that previous hesitations surrounding data security and integration have been overcome. This shift indicates that the industry is now more open to embracing cloud solutions as essential tools for innovation. 7. The interdisciplinary nature of drug discovery, the integration of AI, cloud computing, and quantum computing in drug discovery points to an increasingly interdisciplinary approach that challenges the conventional boundaries of pharmaceutical research. The notion that breakthroughs may come from collaborations across various fields like computing and life sciences contradicts the historical view that drug discovery is a linear process driven solely by pharmaceutical expertise. 8. Skepticism towards AI's impact on employment. While AI is often heralded as a technology that could replace jobs, the narratives around companies like OpenAI, Microsoft, and Chai Discovery suggest that AI could instead augment human roles in drug discovery. This perspective is counterintuitive to the broader societal fears surrounding job displacement, positing that AI may create new opportunities for skilled workers rather than eliminate them. 9. Expectation versus reality of AI in clinical trials. The anticipated acceleration of bringing drugs to market through AI technologies contrasts with the historical slow pace of clinical trials, which often involve multiple phases and regulatory scrutiny. The expectation that AI will streamline processes may not align with the reality of the cautious nature of clinical validation and regulatory requirements, suggesting that while AI may improve efficiency, it cannot entirely bypass traditional hurdles. These counterintuitive insights highlight the complexity and evolving nature of the integration of AI in drug discovery, revealing a landscape where traditional paradigms are being challenged and new opportunities are being explored. In the report regarding the OpenAI value-sharing model for scientific and drug discoveries, several key elements stand out that are often overlooked yet hold significant implications for the future of pharmaceutical innovation and AI technology integration. Here's an exploration of these critical aspects. 1. The shift towards de novo drug design. Chai Discovery's focus on de novo antibody design is noteworthy. The ability to create entirely new molecules rather than modifying existing ones represents a paradigm shift in drug discovery. This approach not only has the potential to enhance the success rates of drug candidates but also significantly reduces the costs and time associated with traditional drug development processes. The significance of this shift lies in the potential to discover drugs that address unmet medical needs, which could lead to breakthroughs in treating diseases that currently have limited or no effective therapies. 2. Collaborative synergies in drug development. The partnership among Sanofi, Formation Bio, and OpenAI is a critical development in the pharmaceutical industry. By pooling proprietary data, AI technology, and operational expertise, these stakeholders are set to create robust AI models that can transform drug discovery. This collaboration emphasizes the importance of data sharing and interdisciplinary cooperation, which are often underestimated in their capability to accelerate innovation. The ability to integrate diverse datasets can lead to more accurate predictive models, thereby enhancing the drug development pipeline. 3. The role of AI in reducing clinical trial failures. The report highlights how AI can potentially reduce the 90% failure rate of clinical trials by improving the selection of drug candidates for testing. This is significant not only for the pharmaceutical companies looking to maximize their investments but also for public health, as it means that effective treatments could reach patients faster. The integration of AI in early-stage drug discovery, particularly through predictive modeling, allows for a more informed selection of candidates, which is a critical factor often overlooked in discussions about the future of drug development. 4. Microsoft's strategic positioning. Microsoft's advancements in quantum computing and its collaborations with major pharmaceutical companies underscore its strategic positioning as a leader in AI-driven drug discovery. The emphasis on cloud computing capabilities and high-performance computing (HPC) reveals a pathway for biopharma companies to harness vast datasets efficiently. The overlooked aspect here is the potential for Microsoft to redefine the technological landscape of drug discovery, pushing other companies to adapt or risk obsolescence. Their investments in AI and HPC not only facilitate drug development but also empower a new generation of research methodologies. 5. Long-term financial implications. Investments in AI-driven biotech firms like Chai Discovery, which raised $130 million at a $1.3 billion valuation, signify a growing confidence among investors in the future of AI and drug discovery. This financial backing is critical in fostering innovation, yet the broader economic impacts of such investments can often be underestimated. The potential annual impact of AI in pharma, estimated by consultants to be between $60 billion to $110 billion, illustrates a transformative economic shift that could redefine industry standards and practices. 6. Integration of AI across various stages of drug development. The report points out the different approaches taken by companies like Chai Discovery, Sanofi, and Microsoft regarding the integration of AI into drug development. Chai's model focuses on molecular design, while Sanofi's approach emphasizes the use of proprietary data to refine AI applications. This diversity in strategy highlights the importance of tailored AI solutions that meet specific needs within the drug discovery process. The significance here lies in the understanding that there is no one-size-fits-all solution, and the success of AI in this domain will depend on the ability to customize these technologies to various stages of drug development. 7. Ethical and regulatory considerations. While the report primarily focuses on the technological advancements and business implications, it is essential to consider the ethical and regulatory challenges that come with AI integration in drug discovery. The accelerated pace of innovation raises concerns regarding data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the need for robust regulatory frameworks that can keep up with rapid changes. These aspects are often overlooked but are crucial for ensuring that advancements in drug development do not compromise ethical standards or patient safety. Conclusion. In summary, the OpenAI value-sharing model and its associated developments in drug discovery present a multifaceted landscape with significant implications for the pharmaceutical industry. The integration of AI technologies, the importance of collaboration, and the evolving economic landscape are critical elements that can reshape how we approach drug development. As these technologies advance, it is essential for stakeholders to remain vigilant about the ethical, regulatory, and practical challenges that accompany such innovations. Understanding these overlooked aspects will be vital for harnessing the full potential of AI in transforming drug discovery and ultimately improving patient outcomes. Here are the 4 most valuable points from the content regarding the OpenAI value-sharing model for scientific and drug discoveries. 1. Innovative AI platforms in drug design. OpenAI's backing of companies like Chai Discovery highlights the significant advancements in artificial intelligence AI within the pharmaceutical industry, particularly in drug design. Chai Discovery's AI platform, which focuses on de novo antibody design, aims to revolutionize the drug discovery process by predicting how proteins and small molecules interact. This technology is designed to reduce the time and costs associated with drug development, thus making the entire process more efficient. The emphasis on creating new molecules rather than modifying existing ones suggests a paradigm shift in how drug candidates are generated and validated, potentially leading to higher success rates in drug development. 2. Strategic collaborations for accelerated drug development. The partnership between Sanofi Formation Bio and OpenAI exemplifies the collaborative approach being adopted within the industry to enhance drug discovery. By leveraging Sanofi's proprietary data, Formation Bio's engineering expertise, and OpenAI's advanced AI capabilities, this collaboration aims to streamline the drug development lifecycle. This synergy is crucial as it not only accelerates the discovery of new medicines but also addresses the historically slow and costly nature of drug development. The integration of diverse expertise underscores the importance of collaborative efforts in achieving breakthroughs in pharmaceutical research. 3. Microsoft's role in transforming drug discovery. Microsoft's contributions through its Azure platform and AI initiatives are pivotal in supporting drug discovery efforts. The company's focus on high-performance computing (HPC) and quantum computing facilitates extensive data analysis and insights generation, which are essential for accelerating drug development timelines. Collaborations with major pharmaceutical companies like Novartis and Novo Nordisk further demonstrate how Microsoft's technology is enhancing the efficiency of drug discovery. The emphasis on cloud computing and AI-driven solutions positions Microsoft as an essential player in the biopharma sector, capable of transforming how drugs are discovered and developed. 4. Economic implications and future directions. The financial backing and technological innovations stemming from AI-driven initiatives in drug discovery indicate a significant shift in the economic landscape of the pharmaceutical industry, with projections suggesting that AI could generate between $60 to $110 billion annually in enhanced discovery and clinical trial efficiencies. The economic implications are profound. As companies like Chai Discovery and partnerships involving OpenAI continue to evolve, they will likely play a crucial role in shaping future drug development strategies. The focus on reproducible results, real-world manufacturability and safety will be critical for securing further investments and collaborations, ultimately leading to more effective and accessible treatments for patients. These points collectively illustrate the transformative impact of AI and collaborative models in drug discovery, emphasizing the importance of innovation, strategic partnerships, and economic viability in advancing pharmaceutical research. Here are three famous historical cases that parallel the themes of collaboration, innovation, and transformative advancements in drug discovery and scientific research, akin to the OpenAI value-sharing model discussed in your content. 1. The Human Genome Project (HGP). The Human Genome Project, initiated in 1990 and completed in 2003, is one of the most significant scientific collaborations in history. It involved an international consortium of scientists from various countries and institutions working together to map the entire human genome. The project's primary goal was to sequence the 3 billion base pairs of human DNA and identify the estimated 20,000 to 25,000 genes it contains. The implications of the HGP on drug discovery and development have been profound. By understanding the genetic basis of diseases, researchers have been able to develop targeted therapies and personalized medicine approaches. The HGP's collaborative framework set a precedent for data sharing and open access to genomic information, enabling a rapid acceleration in biomedical research and the ongoing development of new treatments. 2. The Tuskegee Syphilis Study. While the Tuskegee Syphilis Study, conducted between 1932 and 1972, is often cited as an ethical failure in medical research, it highlights the importance of collaboration between researchers and communities in drug discovery. The study involved the observation of untreated syphilis in a group of African American men in Alabama under the guise of providing free health care. In the aftermath of the study, there was a significant movement toward ethical standards in clinical research, including informed consent and the need for transparency. This case led to the establishment of regulatory frameworks and oversight bodies such as institutional review boards (IRBs). Furthermore, it underscored the necessity for collaborative trust between healthcare providers and the communities they serve, which is vital for the successful introduction of new drugs and treatments. 3. The development of penicillin. The discovery and development of penicillin by Alexander Fleming, Howard Florey, and Ernst Boris-Chain during the 1920s and 1930s is a classic example of how collaboration and innovation can transform medicine. Initially discovered by Fleming in 1928, the potential of penicillin was not fully realized until Florey and Chain took on the challenge of mass-producing it during World War II. Their teamwork and collaboration with pharmaceutical companies and government agencies led to the large-scale production of penicillin, which became the first widely used antibiotic. This collaboration not only revolutionized the treatment of bacterial infections but also paved the way for the development of other antibiotics, dramatically changing the landscape of medicine and public health globally. These historical cases illustrate how collaborative efforts, ethical considerations, and innovative approaches have shaped scientific advancements in drug discovery, similar to the ongoing transformations facilitated by AI and data sharing in the modern pharmaceutical landscape. Future outlook: OpenAI value sharing model for scientific and drug discoveries 2026 and beyond. The landscape of drug discovery and scientific research is poised for transformative changes driven by the integration of artificial intelligence (AI). As we move further into 2026 and beyond, several trends and predictions emerge regarding the value sharing model of entities like OpenAI and its collaborators in the biotech sector. 1. Acceleration of drug discovery processes. AI's capacity to analyze vast datasets and predict molecular interactions will continue to evolve, significantly reducing the timeline for drug discovery. Collaborations like the one between OpenAI, Sanofi, and Formation Bio exemplify the trend toward rapid AI-driven drug development. By 2027, we can expect new drug candidates to reach the preclinical stage in months rather than years, thanks to advanced AI algorithms that can simulate and predict outcomes with high accuracy. This efficiency could lead to a significant reduction in the cost of bringing a drug to market, which currently exceeds billions of dollars. 2. Enhanced collaboration and data sharing. The future will see an expansion of collaborative models where pharmaceutical companies, biotech firms, and AI researchers share data more openly. The success of partnerships like that of Chai Discovery, which leverages proprietary data for AI model training, will encourage similar alliances. By 2028, we may witness the establishment of standardized frameworks for data sharing that not only enhance AI training but also uphold ethical considerations around data privacy and ownership. This value-sharing model will create a more interconnected ecosystem, fostering innovation across the pharmaceutical landscape. 3. Personalization of medicine. AI's role in personalizing medicine will become more pronounced. As machine learning models analyze genetic, environmental, and lifestyle data, tailored treatment plans could become the norm. By 2030, we could see the emergence of AI-powered platforms that recommend individualized therapies based on a patient's unique biological makeup, leading to improved outcomes and reduced adverse effects. OpenAI's advancements in natural language processing (NLP) will further enhance communication between patients and healthcare providers, ensuring that treatment plans are not only effective but also align with patient preferences. 4. Integration of quantum computing. The integration of quantum computing into drug discovery processes will revolutionize the field by enabling the simulation of molecular interactions at unprecedented scales and speeds. Companies like Microsoft are already investing in quantum technology, which will likely lead to breakthroughs in the understanding of complex biological systems. By 2029, we can anticipate that quantum-enhanced AI models will be capable of solving problems that are currently intractable, leading to the discovery of novel drug candidates and therapeutic strategies. 5. Regulatory evolution and ethical considerations. As AI and machine learning become integral to drug discovery, regulatory bodies will need to evolve their frameworks to accommodate these technologies. By 2027, we may see the introduction of new regulations that specifically address AI-driven drug development processes, focusing on transparency, accountability, and ethical use of data. OpenAI's involvement in these discussions will be crucial, as it has the expertise to guide the ethical deployment of AI technologies in healthcare. 6. Diversity in drug development. AI's ability to analyze diverse datasets will enhance the understanding of how different populations respond to treatments. By 2030, we can expect a more inclusive approach to drug development, with AI helping to identify and address disparities in treatment efficacy across different demographic groups. This could lead to more equitable healthcare outcomes, as new therapies are designed with a broader range of patient experiences in mind. 7. Investment in AI-driven biotech startups. The influx of capital into AI-focused biotech startups, as seen with Chai Discovery, will continue to grow. By 2028, we can predict that venture capitalists will increasingly prioritize investments in companies that demonstrate the ability to leverage AI for breakthrough discoveries. The competition for funding will drive innovation, leading to a proliferation of AI solutions that address various aspects of drug development from discovery to clinical trials. 8. Advancements in computational biology. The field of computational biology will see significant advancements as AI models become more sophisticated. By 2029, we could see the emergence of comprehensive platforms that integrate AI with experimental biology, enabling researchers to validate predictions in real time. This would reduce the reliance on traditional wet lab experiments and accelerate the validation of drug candidates. 9. Global collaboration and open science initiatives. The future will likely see a shift towards global collaboration in scientific research facilitated by AI technologies. By 2030, initiatives promoting open science and shared research findings will become more prevalent, allowing researchers worldwide to collaborate on drug discovery efforts. OpenAI's commitment to transparency and knowledge sharing will play a pivotal role in shaping this collaborative landscape. Conclusion. The future of drug discovery and scientific research is bright with AI at the helm of innovation. OpenAI's value-sharing model, alongside strategic partnerships and advancements in technology, will revolutionize the way we approach drug development. As we look toward 2030, the potential for faster, more effective treatments is immense, promising a new era of healthcare that is personalized, equitable, and driven by cutting-edge technology. The collaboration of AI, biotech, and pharmaceutical companies will redefine the boundaries of scientific discovery, ultimately benefiting patients around the world.